Hi everyone, once again welcome to the channel, and we are going to solve a very important interview problem, Coco eating bananas. So let me show you why this problem is very important. If you go into the company's tag, you can see in last 6 months itself Google asked 10 times and Facebook 5 times. So now you can imagine how important. So if you are targeting this company, you must have to prepare this kind of problems. And another fact, this problem covers another template, basically another way how to solve the problem using the binary search other than the typical binary search problem where we used to have a array or the data sorted and we used to do finding whether the some target is present or not, or doing some kind of other solution. So where we can easily have the option to discard left and right part of that, while in this kind of problem we need to do some other calculation, and based on that calculation we need to decide where to go it and what is the range of the low and high in the starting. So that's why very important. So let's go through this problem and try to solve first naive approach and then go to the binary solution later. So here, like Coco loves eats banana, there are n pile and of bananas, and the ith pile has like pile of 5 bananas, and the guard have gone and will come back in h hours. So Coco can decide her bananas per hour eating speed is k. So each hour she chooses some pile of bananas and eats k bananas from that pile. If the pile has less than k bananas, she eats all of them and instead and will not eat any more bananas during this hour. So at every hour Coco will decide a some speed k, and Coco will eat that many bananas if are there. If less than that, then Coco just eat that and nothing else. So that's it. And Coco likes to eat slowly but still wants to finish eating all the bananas before guard's return. So this is what the important line here, like Coco wants to eat slowly and slowly is like k. So we need to find out the minimum value of k such that Coco can finish all the bananas from all the piles before the guard come. So we have to find that minimum value. So how to solve this problem? Let's understand in this example. So we need to find out a value of the k which is the minimum. So value one of the solution, what we can do, we will start k from 1 and keep going until what time? Until we find the answer basically. And the for coding part, so we can check the what can be the maximum value of the h. So h can be or the values in the some, let's say if h is very big number 10 power 9 and we have only one pile, like length of our array like one pile only, and the number of banana in that pile is still 10 raised power 9. So the Coco k value should be at least 10 power 9. So this can be the maximum value. So here we can run a k loop from 1 to 10 power 9 and then keep trying one by one if it is satisfying the solution. So how we need to check? So once you have k value, we need to see how many round Coco will take, like time take to eat this to all the pile. So first pile, like here 3, so it will take 3 hours, and second will take 6. So this itself cross the 8, so guard will come. So this is not the valid value. So k, like we will increase, try to another k 2. So for 2, the finishing first pile, it will take 2 hours. How to find out it at? We just take the value at the, let's say p pile at ith index minus 1 divided by the value of k plus 1. So how it is? So let's say initial value is 3, then minus 1 by 2 and plus 1, this will become 1 plus 1, which is 2. So that is what. So finishing the first pile, it will take 2 hours. Then second pile, finishing the second pile, it will take 6 minus 1 by 2, which is 2 plus 1, so which is 3. So 2 plus 3 plus second, it will take 4 plus last will take it 6. So again it is crossing the 8. So it is, this k is not also valid. So let's try another k. 3 you can try, 3 is not here, k is 4 will work, like minimum k is 4. So for k equals to 4, so finishing first will take 1 hour, second 2 hour, and third 2 hour, plus the third is 3 hours. So total it is 8. Hence Coco can finish all the bananas before the guard return back. So this is the idea. So you can loop it over, like just go through his linear way and start a one loop for k from 1 to 10 raised power 9 and keep trying for whatever value first you find the valid solution, where the time taken, total time taken to finish all the pile is less than or equals to the given h, then that k is the answer. But as you can see, the k is varying from 1 to 10 raised to power 9. This is very huge. So this can take that much time and that big number. So I have already written the code over here, but this, if we submit this, this will get TLE as it is very big. So let's see this. So it's taking too much time, as you can see. So there is some wrong answer as well, maybe some case got missed. So let's see what is the missing part over here. 1 and it's expected 14. So this will be k plus total time taken is this, time starting from 1 to, if time is less than, oh, that condition is wrong actually. It should be, no, whenever we find the time which is less than or equals to k, time equals to 0 and time plus k plus 1, if time is less than given capital K, we will break over here. Why it is like, I guess this should work, but not sure what is the reason, or it may cross the integer. K, yeah, that may be the case. It may cross the total sum, the integral value. So instead of that, what we can do, we will use over long over here. Now it will be keep adding and it will not do anything, and we can compare long. So for comparison, we may need to typecast it back to integer. So let's retry it. Still there is not a valid answer. So for adding, do we need to convert it back to the integer? Initial, if we start with this, let's see. So there is not that great. Okay, so instead of that, like there, if this time cross h over here, we can add another condition like here. If time cross the h, given h already here, then there is no need to process over here. Let's break it. Try this case and see with the integer itself. So yeah, that is what, like if we are crossing already h and then there is no need to further do it. So this is what one of the extra constraint we need to add it. Actually I haven't didn't try. So now you can see this got time limit exceeded, as we are already aware of it. Now how to optimize it further? So as let's see, so we need to find the value of k which is in the range from 1 to 10 power 9. So instead of going iteratively one by one, what we can do, we will apply the binary search on this value of k, starting low from the 1 and high from 10 power 9. Then we will try to find out the mid. First we will check the mid. Now if this mid, for this mid we need to check whether it is the time, how much time taken by using this mid as a k, if we take this mid as a k, and how much time it is taking to eat all the bananas from the pile. So with that, if we are able to, like if Coco able to eat in that speed, then Coco can also able to eat in the higher speed as well. So in that case, we reduce the high to over here at the mid. So we update high to mid. If it is not able to eat, then we need a bigger k. So we increase low to mid plus 1. So we will update low to mid plus 1. So that is the idea behind it solution. So now if you got already idea how to apply binary search, I gave already a hint. You can pause the video and try to code yourself before I start jumping on the code. So let's start writing the code for the using the binary search. So let's, for binary search, first we define the low as 1, 0 or 1 and the high as 10 raised power 9 itself, and this is defined. Now we will use a while, or let me take this code, better to move this code in some basically method. So where we will call that method if it is possible. So let me write a method, private boolean is possible, and here we will get the array itself and the value of h and the value, the k we are thinking, the current k. So in that case we will first find out the total time taken, and if it everything is fine, if it is, and instead of here h is fine, and this k, so k is our given, yeah, everything is fine, and we will break. So no need to break over here, we just return from here if it is possible to eat all the bananas by this value. So we will return time less than or equals to the h if it is. Now in while loop we run low less than high, then we will find first mid, which is low plus high minus low. This is for basically avoiding the integer overflow. Now we will check if is possible by passing this files h and the mid as k. If it is the case possible, then we update our high back to the current mid. If it is not possible, then we update our low to the mid plus 1, and in the end the low will hold our answer and we will return the low. Let's compile this, all the test cases now in the our one, and everything is getting passed. Now we can submit it, and you can see it got accepted. So now what is the time complexity of this solution? So the time complexity, if we say this range is the capital D, if capital D, then this will take log of capital D in iterating this while loop. But for every iteration we are doing this processing, calling this method, and this will take the length of this array O of n. So this will become n log n. So we can say the overall time complexity of this solution is vig O of n log D, and D is the 10 raised to power 9, you can say. And what is the space complexity? As you can clearly see, we are not using any much extra space, just we are using v constant, so which is constant. So if you like this solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and there are many more problems which can be solved in the similar way. I can try to put the links of in the first comment, so you can check that out. Thanks for watching.